I can't spoil myself in any way. So I have that discipline in me, and it's been since childhood.
Okay.
And that I feel like. I think it's pretty obvious for girls to get a lot of random compliments since the teenage time. Coconut coca, coconut coca, nut coca. We're the first dogs. I'm a dog lover, so I'll go in the.
தமிழ் பேசும் அன்பு நெஞ்சங்களுக்கு என்னோட இனிய வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு என் கூட யார் இருக்காங்கன்னா, இவங்க வந்து மாடலிங் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, தியேட்டர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, டெலிவிஷனில் நிறைய ஷோஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இப்போ அவங்க ஆக்ட்ரஸாக இருக்காங்க. என் கூட யார் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தேஜஸ்ரீ ஜதேவ்.
Hello, welcome everyone.
ஓகே தேஜா, இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து யூ ஹவ் ஆக்டட் இன் Tollywood, Hollywood and also in Bollywood. So how was that transformation?
Well, Tollywood, right now I'm working on my first project, so it's gonna be my debut in Tollywood. And when I started with Hindi and Marathi. So as you know, I'm a theatre artist, so I started with Marathi theatres during my college days, and did some plays, experimental plays and theatre, commercial theatres, and then few Marathi shows and then Hindi shows. And then from Hindi I got into Kollywood, Tamil. And right now I'm gonna make my debut in Tollywood, Telugu. So it's going great, and journey is being quite difficult, ups and downs. As you all know, this industry is not easy. So I'm still working on it and have a long way to go.
Okay, congratulations on your Telugu movie.
Thank you.
And we would like to know, like, how you got the offer and the opportunity to get into the Telugu.
Well, when I started off, like during my theatres days, people used to come to watch the play, and a few directors, producers used to come, few actors. Then when they used to like my acting, they used to refer me, and like reference and contacts which I made, like, because I'm a self-made person. So through reference most of the time, and auditions and all.
Great. Okay, and also we watched your other interviews, and we just got to know that your favorite actress from Kollywood is Nayanthara.
Yes.
And just how she inspired you.
I cannot I cannot tell you her movies and all what is my favorite, but I have been seeing her work, and she is a self-made person. She has worked hard a lot, and came a long way. And I like the way her career graph has taken. And right now she is a female superstar, and the kind of projects, movies she choose, like mostly women oriented, and that's what inspires me. And me, I'm like, I would like to do projects like Nayanthara. That's why I look up to her, because I come from a defense family background, and I would like to do projects where they portray women in a strong way. So, and that's why I follow her a lot.
Okay, Teja, you're gonna get an opportunity to act with someone from Kollywood. So who will be your dream star?
There are a lot of. I have a big list. This Arya, and oh my god, I don't remember his name. Recently his movie was hit, and there was a remake in Hindi. Shahid Kapoor acted. He did a rowdy role, and what's his name? Oh my god, Arjun Reddy.
That movie.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah, that actor, Vijay Deverakonda. Yeah.
Okay, so who are your favorite directors from the South?
With Mani Ratnam sir, he's
Okay.
there in the he's there. A.R. Murugadoss sir. These are few of them, and these many.
Okay, so we'll move to the rapid fire question. My first question is, one thing you're carrying from your childhood, what is it?
I would say discipline and being straightforward. As being born and brought up in defense family background, discipline has been like deeply rooted inside me. So even after there is a point in your life when you tend to get carried away with your circle, with your surrounding, and when I moved away from my family, so that's when I realized that discipline and those things where your family teach you are like so deeply rooted in me that I still cannot get like what I can't spoil myself in any way. So I have that discipline in me, and it's been since childhood. and that I feel like I'm going to carry it lifelong.
ஓகே தேஜா, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு மறக்க முடியாத ஒரு காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட், இட் குட் பி ஃப்ரம் a common person or from celebrity, யாரு சொல்?
Yeah, when it comes to compliment, I think it's pretty obvious for girls to get a lot of random compliments since their teenage times. So one compliment very specifically I remember, shooting was going on. There's a break time and everyone left, and I was sitting on the couch just waiting for the next scene. I was so excited because I was very new and all, and director came to me and he was like, I really appreciate your dedication. Everyone is into all like their phones and everything, and I was just looking up to like what they're doing, and I was so keen and so curious to see how the shooting is going on. This is the one compliment I still remember. I think I'll never forget, and it motivates me and it keeps me going in my life, like how dedicated I am towards my career. So this is the one compliment.
Okay, and one bad habit you would like to change?
So yeah, this one bad habit. People who know me closely, they know this thing about me that I'm always late, and I'm very lazy. Though I'm dedicated and disciplined, but I don't know, this one thing is very difficult for me to change. I have to literally push myself, and so I keep surrounded myself with friends who are very like pushy. They'll make sure, okay, get up, Teju, go do this, do that. Sometimes I become very laid back, and that is because I'm little lazy. You can say this is a bad habit I really want to change, and desperately want to change this in me.
Okay, Teja. So tell us any 5 words to scold people in Tamil.
Tamil is like I'm still learning. During shoot and all, I memorize the script, but it's very difficult to remember. No, mocha fellow. I don't know what does that mean, but my friends taught me that.
Okay.
Mocha fellow. Is it a bad or good?
No.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, mocha fellow. And pode, like get up. Poda. Now go away. That. Yeah, that's all. A few more words, but they're not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, like kunjum and sapada and சாப்பிடலாம். Yeah, that I know. And inga perenna.
Unga perenna.
Means where are you, right?
No. What's your name?
Sorry, yeah, what's your name? And I know where are you also. What is that like?
எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
எங்க இருக்கீங்க? It's okay. Yeah, this is one thing I have memorized, but now I don't remember a few words.
Okay, that's really cute. So tell us, have you caught red-handed on the shooting spot doing some naughty things?
Not shooting spot, but in my real life, I do a lot of mischievous things. Shooting spot, most of the time, I'm very sincere when it comes to work, I feel. So yeah, I do little naughty things and all, but I've never been caught because I never did anything like that till now. But yeah, in my real life, I've troubled my parents a lot in my childhood days. Now I'm pretty decent. Yeah, so no such memory yet.
So we're gonna give you a situation like you're gonna wake up in the morning and you're gonna disappear. You have 24 hours. What will you do?
Oh, will I be able to touch things? No. If I'm able to get things, like I'll go for shopping, go for jewelry shopping, and if I'm able to touch things, and first thing I'll do is like collect everything, keep it in my bag, and go and keep it in my room till like for 24 hours. That's what I'll do. Yeah, and if I could trouble my friends, I would love to do that. Yeah.
Okay. And tell us a few words about your Telugu movie and your co-star, music co-star.
Well, it's still in process. They have not started. They're not yet spoken about it. So the project is. This is my first Telugu project, and the team is good. It's pretty fun, and I love South industry, be it Tamil or Telugu. So it's been a different kind of experience, and getting to learn. There's a lot of difference in Tamil and Telugu. That's what I'm learning. Because before I thought South languages meant like everything would be same, but there's a lot of difference. But new experience and amazing team, very cooperative, and the treatment. Because I've seen this in South industry. The treatment is amazing, and the project is about one small village, and it's about a love story. What what like people from like old people, how the mentality was when it comes to love marriages, and what youngsters do, what kind of steps they do to change that mentality. So it's about, the story surrounds about that and how they succeed. So that's what the story is. Not tell you in detail, but yeah, it's amazing, and I play a quite important role in changing that mentality.
ஸோ நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் கொடுக்க போகிறேன். லைக் நீங்கள் வந்து உங்கள் பாய் ஃப்ரெண்டோட ஃப்ளைட்டில் போயிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. ஃப்ளைட் வந்து கிராஷ் ஆக போகுது. யூ ஹேவ் ஒன்லி ஒன் பேராஷூட்.
Okay.
Will you save yourself or you will save your boyfriend?
Oh my god. See, if I'm very serious, then I don't know. I really don't know. Like, see, everyone is selfish when it comes to life, and if we are very serious, we'll try to get out together if it's possible in the parachute. And if I'm not that serious, then I'll just take the parachute and leave.
Okay, that's a genuine answer, I guess.
Yeah.
And I have one more situation for you.
Yeah.
You have a movie to do with your favorite director Mani Ratnam,
Uh-huh.
and you're traveling on the highways, and
Okay.
your car is punctured,
Okay.
and you have to reach the shooting location in 10 minutes. 3 வண்டி வருது. ஒன்று வந்து கார்ப்பரேஷன் நாய் பிடிக்கிற வண்டி,
Okay.
and one more வண்டி வந்து மார்ஜரி சவம் எடுத்துட்டு போற வண்டி, and last one will be like குப்பை வண்டி.
So the second one would be
மார்ஜரி,
oh, what is
the
that?
dead body you carry the rich.
Okay. And third one,
குப்பை லாரி, garbage.
garbage. And first one is
நாய் பிடிக்க dog.
dogs would be there.
You have to go in one vehicle.
Garbage and the second one, no ways. But the first, dogs, I'm a dog lover, so I'll go in the first one.
I have a tongue twister for you, Teja.
Okay.
And the first one will be in Hindi.
Okay.
Kacha papad, pakka papad. You have to tell really fast.
Okay. कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, 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 कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़. Done.
Great, Teja.
I actually speak very fast. I used to
Okay.
talk very fast. Then in theatres I worked on it. So tongue twister pretty like I can catch up with.
And one more in Tamil. கொக்கு நட்ட கொக்கு, கொக்கு நட்ட கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை கட்ட முட்டை.
What? See it again.
கொக்கு நட்ட கொக்கு,
Coca natta coca.
நட்ட கொக்கு,
Coca natta coca.
நட்ட கொக்கு,
Natta coca.
கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை
Coca itta mutta.
கட்ட முட்டை.
Katta mutta. Coca natta coca. Coca natta
நட்ட கொக்கு,
natta coca. Coca itta mutta.
கட்ட முட்டை.
Katta mutta. Coconut coca. Coca itta mutta. Coconut coca. Coconut coca. Coca. Coconut coca. Natta coca. Itta.
கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை
Coca itta mutta.
கட்ட முட்டை.
Katta mutta. My God, this is very
First two
difficult.
lines you are telling it right.
Coconut coca. Coconut natta coca. Katta mutta katta. Katta itta mutta.
கொக்கு இட்ட முட்டை கட்ட.
That's all I can do.
Okay, the last question will be like your future boyfriend. What you look?
How I want him to be.
உங்களுக்கு பாய்ஃப்ரெண்ட்னா உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கணும்? ட்ரீம் பாய்.
First, he should be tall, 6 and above.
Okay.
And should have good sense of humor. Should smell good. And he should be classy and hot. The combination of classy and hot, and yeah, obviously educated. Yeah, all this.
From the same field, from cinema?
I haven't thought about the field because see, love is unpredictable. We cannot predict from where. If I find these qualities in any field for that matter, then I'll just go for it.
Thank you, Provoke TV viewers. இவ்வளோ நேரம் இங்கே இன்டர்வியூ பார்த்ததுக்கு. And thank you, Tejasri, for coming and joining us. Thank you so much.
Provoke TV को share பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம bell button press பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.